Hello everyone, I'm John, a specialist doctor in rheumatology from New Zealand. Every day, I have to treat many patients with joint and bone issues. Some have mild symptoms such as swelling, redness, and joint pain, while others have severe complications like bone deformities, unbearable pain, and difficulty with walking and normal activities, loss of appetite, and sleeplessness. Many of them have previously taken pharmaceutical drugs and painkillers, which have led to severe side effects. By the time they seek treatment, it is often too late for a full recovery. If patients were aware of the importance and consequences of joint and bone diseases and sought an earlier treatment from specialists, the outcome would likely be much better, avoiding the pain and suffering they experience. According to statistics from the World Health Organization, there are 1.7 billion people worldwide suffering from bone and joint-related diseases, of which 369 million are in Southeast Asia alone, a staggering number. Like many other countries in the world, the Philippines is also facing a steep increase in the number of people suffering from joint and bone diseases such as neck, shoulder, and back pain, numbness in the arms and legs, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, and herniated discs. On average, 1 in 6 adults suffers from these conditions, which lead to loss of workability, high medical expenses, time-consuming and distressing symptoms for patients. Studies have demonstrated that from the age of 40 to 80, people lose 25 to 30% of their bone mass, indicating that bones weaken with age. The skeletal system plays a vital role in coordinating smooth, flexible body movement. Additionally, bones protect other organs from injury. Without proper care and intervention, the risk of developing joint and bone disease escalates over time. Our team specializes in treating joint and bone diseases like osteoarthritis, dislocation, acute rheumatism, joint inflammation, bone dryness, joint trauma, and gout, especially during cold weather when patients are more likely to experience joint pain. Based on our research and daily treatment of thousands of patients, we have found that sudden temperature drops prompt the human body to conserve energy, causing reduced blood flow and synovial fluid circulation, the joint lubricant that limits the friction between bone ends. This often results in pain escalation for those who have already developed joint degeneration, where joint cartilage and underlying bones are damaged, accompanied by a decrease in synovial fluid flow. Patients experience increased friction between bone ends, resulting in pain and discomfort. Unhealthy diet and aging are the two main causes of bone and joint diseases. Patients suffering from these conditions who do not receive adequate nutrition and calcium supply from their bones will experience increasingly severe symptoms, such that next year's pain will be greater than that of the preceding year, and may even cause severe complications such as immobility, fractures, and paralysis, especially for those who suffer from degeneration but do not seek medical treatment. The risk of serious consequences is extremely high. It could result in joint dislocation, deformation, and even disability. Numerous seminars and research studies have been conducted to find solutions and introduce excellent products to treat bone and joint diseases. Understanding the severity and importance of this bone disease, So after years of research and treatment of millions of patients, my colleagues and I have successfully produced a specialized product for people suffering from bone and joint diseases called ST Joint. ST Joint is a perfect combination of high quality and valuable compounds for treating bone and joint diseases such as glucosamine sulfate, 2KCl, chondroitin sulfate, shark cartilage, calcium hydrophosphate, and collagen, in addition to over 36 types of vitamins and minerals that help restore and improve bone and joint function. Most notably, ST Joint is made with the extract from the devil's claw plant, an extremely rare herb that grows only in the deserts of South Africa, which helps to strengthen the bones, enhance immunity, and is combined with glucosamine sulfate, 2KCl, chondroitin sulfate, shark cartilage, calcium hydrophosphate, and collagen to help the body absorb calcium more effectively without causing excessive sediment buildup in the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones, constipation, digestive disorders, and stomach pain. For adults and the elderly who have difficulty absorbing calcium, using ST Joint can guarantee better bone and joint functions. Moreover, ST Joint also contains vitamin D3, which plays a role in leading calcium to the skeletal system, regulating calcium levels and helping the intestine absorb calcium, slowing down bone loss and preserving bone structure integrity. Many calcium supplements on the market lack the necessary nutrients for the body to absorb calcium, resulting in an ineffective treatment and failure to improve bone and joint conditions we may be experiencing. In addition to its main component, ST Joint contains over 36 vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, E, D3, K2, C, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12 that improve and restore bone and joint functions effectively. Moreover, ST Joint is easy to use, formulated in liquid form for faster absorption by the bones and joints. It provides 10 times faster results than conventional products, aiding in the restoration and regeneration of joint cartilage, increasing joint fluid secretion, ensuring joint flexibility, preventing joint inflammation, reducing pain, lubricating joints, and preventing joint degeneration. ST Joint is manufactured at a GMP international standard facility with the #1 production technology from Japan and has obtained FDA certification from the United States, one of the most stringent certifications for product quality in the world. Before it's released, clinical trials show that after 7 to 14 days of use, 98% of customers responded positively to the outstanding effectiveness of this product. ST Joint is made from rare and safe ingredients with clear origins, carefully researched and formulated. Besides protecting and regenerating joints, it also helps to restore overall health from deep within, making the body more energetic, improving sleep quality, and significantly enhancing other bodily functions. ST Joint is an excellent solution not only for patients with joint problems in the Philippines, but also for those in other countries worldwide. Many patients from different countries such as Vietnam, Myanmar, and Indonesia have expressed their gratitude with positive results after using ST joint. Patients with joint problems such as neck, shoulder, and back pains, numbness, polyarthritis, degeneration, and herniated discs can completely trust and rely on ST joint. 2 spoonfuls of ST joint mixed with 150 ml of water twice a day will alleviate pain, improve mobility, restore normal activities, and help patients go about their daily lives without a worry about joint pain. Users can feel completely reassured when using ST joint daily and over a long period of time, as it does not have side effects that can harm your liver and kidneys like medicines usually do. According to research and evaluation, out of 100 people using ST joint, 80 people noticed a significant reduction in bone and joint pain from the first week, while the remaining 20 people noticed positive effects from the third, depending on each person's health condition. Within the first 7 days, they would feel less numbness and pain in their arms and legs. After 20 days, they would experience reduced joint inflammation and pain, and the joints would not feel as dry and stiff. After around 40 days, the joints would feel flexible, and moving, standing up, and sitting would become easier with no more cracking sounds. After just 3 months, patients would see significant improvements and feel almost completely healthy. This is positive news for those suffering from bone and joint diseases, as well as medical professionals, as there is now a safe and effective method to handle bone and joint pain. With outstanding advantage in all aspects, since ST joint is confident in fulfilling its mission to protect, improve, and restore bone and joint health for people worldwide, especially in Southeast Asian region, including Philippines. Therefore, we should care for our bone and joint health as easily as possible, and using ST joint now to have stronger bone health and prevent dangerous joint complications such as fractures, paralysis affecting our daily life and health. We wish everyone a good health and happiness.